U.S.-Iran tensions are at a breaking point. Reports suggest a direct confrontation could be imminent. But is this the whole story? Iran has developed significant asymmetric defense capabilities. Think swarms of drones and fast attack boats that could overwhelm traditional defenses. They have sophisticated missiles, naval mines, and coastal defense systems designed to target vulnerabilities and create a higher risk zone for any naval force in the region. The strategic goal: disruption, targeting logistics, command centers, and leveraging geography. The potential global impact on oil markets and regional stability is immense. This isn't just about two nations. It's a complex web involving multiple regional powers with their own agendas. Behind the headlines, there's a deeper narrative of proxy conflicts and geopolitical maneuvering. The real danger may be a larger plan to reshape the Middle East by pitting regional rivals against each other. This is Rana Asif. Deep Dive. Like and subscribe for geopolitical analysis that looks beyond the surface. Stay informed.